Hello, this video tutorial will teach you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom, as well as post the assignment and add any attachments or videos that you would like to add. So to begin, you would start in your main classroom and click on the class that you would like to assign the work to. In this case, I'm choosing Miss Mary's homeroom class, which would be a good example of what a PCL's class would look like. Starting from the classwork tab up at the top, which I think is one of the most efficient ways to begin when posting assignments, you would go over here to the button that says Create. When you hit the button Create, many different options come down, okay? So I would choose the assignment option when you're creating a new assignment. Once you're in this category, this is where you build the assignment and you can add everything in. Okay, so what I would like to do is call this assignment Tuesday and morning message, prayer, and attendance. The instructions for this assignment will be similar to the instructions that I have given for the other days. So for example, because this would be providing the students with the morning message, a prayer, and it would also facilitate taking attendance, the students will begin each day by viewing the morning message from their PCL, whether that be a personal message from their PCL or whether it's a video or a prayer or some type of activity to do in the morning. It could be any of those things. And then secondly, they would show that they are present by clicking the Mark as Done button, which cannot be seen on the teacher end, but it can be seen on the student end. Okay, so once you have all this information in and the instructions that you need to have done, you can add any attachments. So anything you would like to add. So for example, you can add something from your drive, you can add a link to a different website, you can add a file from your computer, or you can add a YouTube video. So for this situation, I'm going to show you how to add a link or a YouTube video. So again, because this message is going to show a prayer for morning meeting, I thought that this was a really nice video that I found on YouTube that was just a very nice morning message. After viewing it and making sure that it was what I wanted to share with the students, I went down to the bottom here and I hit the button Share. This brings up all different ways you can share the YouTube video, but the easiest way to share it would be to hit this button Copy. Once you have copied this URL, you can close out of there and go back to your classroom. Within the classroom, you can add this to your assignment in two different ways. To add it as a link, you would hit the link button and simply copy and paste it into there and then hit Add Link. When you hit Add Link, as you can see, it comes right up and the students will be able to click right on it and have access directly to that video. Now I'm going to show you another way to add it, especially if you're using videos straight from YouTube. So another way you can add it is to click on the YouTube button. And if you would like to, you can type in all different things. For example, you can type in morning prayers and just hit search. And you can find all different morning prayers, okay, just by hitting that search. But I already actually did that work, so I already know the URL I'd like to use. So I will click on this URL button here and paste the URL into this. And here comes up the video that I was interested in sharing, okay? And as long as I know that everything is the way I'd like it to be and that's the correct video, I hit Add. And again, it's been added to my student's assignment. Once you add anything, for example, files, videos, handouts, attachments, you can go over here and design when you would like it to be due. Over here, I would like to say it's worth no points, so it would be ungraded, but you can always have a point system if you're interested. The due date for this one, I would like to set for Tuesday, the 23rd. You can also have an optional time if you would like the students to get their attendance in by a specific time. Also, a topic, because I've already created a category called morning message, prayer, and attendance, I would click on that one so it always stays in the same area. All right. And then at that point, I'm all set and I'm ready to assign. Now, with assigning, you have a lot of different choices. You can assign it right then and there, which means you hit this button and it posts immediately, or you can assign it, you can schedule it, you can save it or throw it away. Scheduling assignments is really good if you're doing a lot of work in advance and you would like to prepare it to just go live at a specific date and time. But again, if you would like it to post right when you finish creating it, you can just simply hit the assign button and it will go directly into the student's classroom. Okay, so again, here is the assignment. When the students click on it, they will see that to do now, their PCL will post a morning message and prayer each day. That's attached right here for them to watch. Again, if you click on it, it looks like this.
Good morning, Lord. Thank you for a new day.
Okay, and they can exit the video when they're finished watching it, and also they will know that they need to show that they are present by clicking the Mark as Done button. All right, well, that about wraps it up for posting a message and assignment in Google Classroom.